Good evening, everyone. Ethan here, and we will now discuss about the teaching of handwriting and spelling. So, why is penmanship important in education? Handwriting or penmanship involves mental resources and the use of. Although Microsoft Word, assistive technology, and AI or artificial intelligence are undeniably boons to children with writing problems, such advancements do not eliminate the need for the clear teaching of handwriting. Proper handwriting is also crucial in completing bigger, more complex tasks. And proper spelling is also important because students need to spell the words correctly, especially in more complex tasks such as essay writing. Proper spelling is also important in communication because we need to analyze the proper spelling of words as we speak and as we write. It is also important in job opportunities as well as overall literacy, promoting clear communication and the confidence to write. Let us now talk about remedial strategies for teaching of penmanship. Number one, letter formation and fine motor skills. Letter formation can help struggling students understand the spelling of words as well as more complex sentences and paragraphs. Some ways to enhance these step by step are basic strokes, letter families, and continuous strokes. Basic strokes starts with practicing straight and curved lines, then letter-like shapes and actual letters themselves. Letter families focus on the formation of similar letters, and continuous strokes involve a consistent flow of letters. Here are some ways they can be practiced, and this is flashed on your screen. Air writing. Tracing letters in the air with their finger while holding their arm straight out. Textured surfaces. Using textured surfaces to form letters, and the wet dry dry method focuses on practice by using wet paper and then dry paper and repeating that pattern. Visual aids to be emphasized here are arrow cues, dots, dashes, and guide paper. Here now are some specific challenges. These are pencil grip, line awareness, and posture. Pencil grip should be demonstrated and emphasized. Line awareness involves the use of bold lines or markers, highlighting lines on paper. Spacing puzzles are also helpful in working on visual perceptual skills. And posture, verify or ensure that students sit up straight and have proper posture when writing. Practice and repetition. Regular practice shall be encouraged to develop proper handwriting for short, focused periods per day. Handwriting worksheets, moreover, shall be used to improve students' writing skills. For more practice, students are encouraged to write notes, stories, or essays, as well as worksheets. How can we make it fun? Number one, smaller goals. Break down goals into small and bite-sized tasks. Games and activities. Fun activities shall be integrated into writing practice. And positive reinforcements. Students shall be motivated to write through feedback and motivation. With that, writing can be fun and engaging. Let us now move on to the remedial strategies used for teaching spelling. Remedial strategies should also be used to help students focus on phonics and spelling patterns. Multisensory techniques such as the look, say, cover, write, check, as well as a focus on phonics and spelling patterns, mnemonics should be used. Ample practice can also be provided through reading and writing activities as well as games and other fun activities. And here are some additional multisensory strategies. Number one, letter tiles. Number two, writing words with a highlighter and tracing each one with a marker. And number three, skywriting where arms are stretched, forming letters in the air. Let us now go to rules and patterns. Identification. Students learn to recognize spelling patterns and rules. For example, C before E requires a soft sound. Morphemes. Teach students to recognize and use prefixes, suffixes, and root words to decode and spell longer words. And third, structured word inquiry. Focus on memorizing and practicing tricky words with irregular spellings using mnemonics. Now let's make it fun. Spellings shall be made more fun and engaging. Practicing spelling through interactive games and activities helps adults overcome common linguistic challenges while reinforcing essential skills in the language. These also improve phonetic awareness by illustrating how different letters and sound patterns function together. This is also helpful in reading comprehension. And some ways to make spelling fun are mnemonics and memory aids, such as rhymes, images, or silly sentences to understand tricky spellings. Games. Integrate games such as word searches to make practice fun and engaging. Spelling quiz or spelling test, where the teacher says the word as the students write it. Regularly assess spelling skills and provide feedback depending on how students write the word. Self-correction and peer tutoring. Encourage students to self-correct spelling errors by reading and checking their work. Integration in other activities. Moreover, pair students for collaborative learning and practice. Integration in other activities. Integrate other activities. For example, students can draw pictures that represent their spelling words. They can later write the word next to the drawing. Contextual learning. Teach students to use context clues when encountering unfamiliar words. And finally, spelling bee. Organize a friendly competition where students take turns spelling words. And to summarize this, penmanship in the early levels can help students as they undergo more complex lessons and subjects. Writing skills are also important in remedial instruction. Word formation plays a vital role in the teaching of penmanship. Without a doubt, proper penmanship as well as critical thinking, word choice, diction, grammar, and spelling all play a vital role in developing writing skills and clear communication.